This is the unboxing video of 163L. First, we see a box. Open the box and take out the device. This is the device interface of 163L. The white nameplate sticker here shows the product model and serial number. The size of the device is about the same as a plane, small and light. Open here to see the USB port and SIM card slot. This is a bottle of connecting wires for 163L. This black one is the wire for connecting the fuse. This is the power cable and interface for connecting the device. Connect the device interface to the power cable interface, and the device can be used normally. This is the fuse. Open the black cover to see the inside. These colored wires are introduced. The red one is the power cable. The yellow one is for connecting the relay, which can cut off the oil and the power. The green one is the ACC input, and the black one is the ground cable. This is 3M double-side type, which is convenient for the device to be attached to the interior of the vehicle. The above is the full display of the device. Thank you for your watching.